Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Uber Eats is a food delivery service offered by Uber Technologies, the same company that operates the popular ride-sharing service Uber. Uber Eats allows customers to order food from local restaurants and have it delivered to their doorstep using a mobile app or website. Making money on Uber Eats typically involves becoming a delivery driver or courier for the service. Uber Eats provides an opportunity for individuals to earn money by delivering food from local restaurants to customers. Here are the steps to get started and make money with Uber Eats. 1. Meet the requirements: age and vehicle requirements. You must meet the minimum age requirements and have access to a reliable mode of transportation, which could be a car, bicycle, scooter, or even walking, depending on your location. Smartphone. You'll need a smartphone to access the Uber Eats app for managing orders and navigation. 2. Sign up. Download the Uber Eats app from your app store. Create an account with Uber Eats by providing the required information, including your name, contact details, and vehicle information, if applicable. 3. Background check. Uber Eats will conduct a background check, which typically includes reviewing your driving record and criminal history. Approval is necessary to become a courier. 4. Upload required documents depending on your location and the mode of transportation. You may need to provide documents like a valid driver's license, vehicle insurance, and vehicle registration. 5. Set your schedule. Have the flexibility to work on your own schedule. You can log into the app and start accepting delivery requests whenever you're available to work. 6. Accept and complete orders. When you're online, you'll receive delivery requests through the app. You can choose to accept or decline them based on your availability and location. After accepting an order, pick up the food from the restaurant and deliver it to the customer's specified location. Use the app's navigation tools to reach your destination efficiently. 7. Earn money. Your earnings will depend on several factors, including the distance you travel, the time it takes to complete deliveries, and the base fee. You can also earn tips from customers, which can significantly increase your earnings. 8. Cash out. You can cash out your earnings daily using the Instant Pay feature if it's available in your area. Otherwise, you'll receive weekly payments through direct deposit. 9. Maintain high ratings and feedback. Providing excellent customer service and prompt deliveries can lead to better ratings and feedback, which can, in turn, result in more orders and potentially higher earnings.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.